In the crowded wards of one of India's busiest cities, thousands of newborns arrive every year. Many too early, too small, too vulnerable. For decades, their survival was always in doubt, until one doctor decided to change that. The Milk of Human Kindness, Dr. Armida Fernandez, Padma Shri 2026. In the historic town of Dharwad, Karnataka, in 1943, a playful, caring girl was born to a noted poet and a homemaker.
As children, my mother always told us, give to the poor and God will give you back 100 times.
At medical school, Dr. Armida Fernandez graduated at the top of her class and moved from Dharwad to Mumbai for further studies. She became a pediatrician. To serve the urban poor, she accepted a job in a municipal hospital in Mumbai. Soon, she was shocked and deeply moved by the mortality rate of newborns. Armed with data from small empirical studies, she took unprecedented steps. She stopped the bathing of newborns, the oral administration of glucose water, stopped top milk and animal milk, and the use of incubators, all of which introduced bacteria. Instead, oil was used and lights were installed as warmers for newborns. Infection rates plummeted, survival rates rose. Her doubting peers were convinced. These simple steps are now global protocols. However, her greatest innovation was to start Asia's first human milk bank. There was opposition.
Many people thought I was crazy for starting a human milk bank, especially administrators when I had to get staff. I had to convince one administrator by quoting that Lord Krishna was not fed by his mother, but by Yashoda. Even small amounts of human milk improved the survival of these babies.
Over the next 5 decades, Armida trained over 2,000 medical professionals and conducted breastfeeding promotions in 3 states. Alongside her work at the hospital, Armida started an NGO called Sneha to bring medical care into Dharavi, to the doorsteps of the underserved.
To reduce the neonatal mortality further, where we could change behavior of the mother so that they come in time to hospital and save the lives of their babies. Face the truth. Unless you do that, you can't find solutions. Challenges require out-of-the-box thinking. At one time, I called it breaking your head. Today, it's called innovations. Don't think, why me? From sorrow comes change. We must constantly think of how to reach those who can't reach us.
Dr. Armida Fernandez, Padma Shri 2026. Koti Koti Namaskaram.